how to sign PDF with DocuSign. So first go to DocuSign and then just click on start here. Okay, now let's wait. Here you just need to upload your file. So let's click on upload, click on desktop, and then just upload your file here. Okay, now once you've uploaded your PDF file, you can just click on add recipients here at the bottom and then click on I'm the only signer. Here, you can add your email subject here. And then if you want to add your email message here, you can do that. Then you can select your envelope type here as well. Okay, and then click on sign here at the bottom. Then let's just wait. Okay, now once you're here, this is your document, right? So this is my document. Now here, you just need to drag your signature here at the bottom, or whichever one place or area you want to put it in. And then you can resize it however you want. And then you can just click on finish. Now here, if you want to send it to someone or to your own email, you can do that. Just type in your email here and then click on send. But if you don't want to do that, you can just click on no thanks. Now let's just wait. Okay. Now once you're there, it means you're done. Okay. Now let's wait again. And then as you can see here, now you can start downloading this PDF file that you just signed here. Just click on download and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.